situation they got me facing. I can't live a normal life, I was raised by the state, so I gotta be down with the hood team. Too much television watching got me chasing dreams. I'm an educated fool with money on my mind. Got my tin in my hand and a gleam in my eye. I'm a loped out gangster, set tripping banker, and my homies is down, so don't arouse my anger. Fool, death ain't nothing but a heartbeat away. I'm living life, do or die. What can I say? I'm 23 now, but will I live to see 24? The way things is going, I don't know. Everybody's running, but half of them ain't looking what's going on in the kitchen. But I don't know what's cooking. They say I got to learn, but nobody's here to teach me. If they can't understand it, how can they reach me? I guess they can't, I guess they won't, I guess they front. That's why I know my life is out of luck, fool.
My closest friends, my homies, people who I done took care of their whole family. I done took care of everything for them, looked out for them, put them in the game, everything turned on me.
What's the matter, you don't trust me anymore?
I don't trust no motherfucking body.
You heard it wrong, nigga. Ain't nothing sweet about my techniques. You checking for my breathless quotes. I wrote deadly. My history so thoroughly involves destruction. Niggas left with they ass bleeding lyrical fucking. Open up, first the bus, let me see your heart. Turn the lights down, cause I might clown in the dark. When I check for the heart cement, what do we find? Niggas watching from my pockets, planning plots on mine. Am I blind? Let my rhymes speak. For me in history, a legend, you define me. Dumb Machiavelli bitch, bow down to death row. Fuck what you say, we untouchable. Now that we done shook Doc Dre. He ain't made a beat in 6 years, sway the shit. Won't get no record sales, sucking Nas dick. Let me get my freak on. Nigga drop the beat, I get my freak on. The wrong one for you to speak on. Motherfucker, tell me game, what will niggas learn? In this game, fuck with us, niggas getting burned. We taking turns on you bitch made nigga roles. I hope it hurts cause you worse than this groupie hoes.
Oh, one more time, baby.
Tell me game, what will niggas learn? In this game, fuck with us, niggas getting burned. We taking turns on you bitch made nigga roles. I hope it hurts cause you worse than this groupie hoes. I heard Nas got beef cause I'm dissing his club. Cool, come bring your ass, nigga, you can get dick. I'm worldwide, steady war rapping. Get your cash on, nigga, 5 times flat. What's that? Daylight got a problem with this hard shit. Ever since me, myself, and I, y'all been garbage. I'ma keep it real, show you how it feels to ride. Y'all went 3 feet, stop rise. I ain't Willie Williams is the fat bitch, that's the truth. I got a job full of niggas nuts, that's for you. Let the west side, east side drama see. I come along niggas learn. In this game, fuck with us niggas getting burned. We taking turns on you bitch-made nigga roles. I hope it hurts cause you worse than this groupie hoes.
Oh, one more time, baby.
Tell me, Kane, what will niggas learn? In this game, fuck with us niggas getting burned. We taking turns on you bitch-made nigga roles. I hope it hurts cause you worse than this groupie hoes.